I got this remote control on eBay, just received it today, and I'm gonna see if I can get it to work in my car that I bought last week. They only gave me a key, so I'm just gonna have to follow the instructions and see if it works. So it says to put the key in the ignition, and then I don't know if I can hold my phone anymore, but yeah, I'm supposed to. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'll put this here so you can see. Turn to position 2 and press the lock key and do that 3 times. So let's see. And I have to do it fast. Oh, it worked. Okay. Let's see. Let me show you this. So lock. Well, I heard it, but let's see. Unlock. Well, I certainly hear it, but it's not moving. I don't know. Maybe I have to turn this. Oh, that's right. I have to take the key out of the car and then let's see. Lock. Oh, there it goes. Awesome. Okay. Now let's see my trunk open. Alright. That is what I want. And I guess I'll lock my car now and because I'm done. Woohoo.